हरिः ओम् नमस्काराः संस्कृत अनुरागिभ्यः सर्वेभ्यः स्वागतम्. If you are watching this video, it means you are connected to Sanskritam some way. You may be a learner or a professional in this field. So learning is a common thing every one of us will do. So we may be at different levels in our learning, but regular consistent learning helps us to reach greater heights. So there is a short subhashitam on this. Jalabindu nipatena kramashah puryate ghataha sahetuh sarva vidyanam dharmasya cha dhanasya cha. Accumulating the drops of water one by one, a pot is filled gradually. Similarly, one should acquire all the knowledge, dharma, that is virtuousness, and wealth with continuous effort. So how is this related to Sanskritam? For example, if we learn a new word every day, effortlessly we would have learned some handful of words at the end of the week or a month or at the end of the year. So Samskrit-wahini, this Sanskrit telegram bot, is designed to help us move forward in the journey of learning Sanskritam and helps us to keep in touch with the language constantly. In short, this bot sends you regularly the Sanskrit content which you like to learn or read, like a new word every day or one Gita shloka every day, and etc. So let's have a very short demo and I will show you how you can actually use this telegram bot. To try out this bot, you need to visit the page wahini.sanskrit.today. So this will open up the web page something like this. If you have mobile device, you can just visit the page and click on start now, or you can also scan this QR code on the mobile and you can directly open this on your mobile. Or if you are in the Telegram app, you can search for the bot like Wahini_Sanskrit_bot. Right now the bot offers these content related to Sanskritam. So we will see one by one very quickly. We'll also see how you can actually start interacting with the bot. Now I'm going to click on the start now here. So it will ask you to open Telegram application. In case if you do not have Telegram application, it may ask you to install. Please install the Telegram application. It is similar to WhatsApp. If you have the Telegram application, you just click on open Telegram. So here is what you will see. Whatever you have right hand side, that's the demo session. So on the right hand side you can see my screen with Telegram. So this is what you see generally, a welcome message or like what this bot can do. You can just read it and you can click on the start in the bottom and you will get a welcome message now. It says you are now successfully subscribed to one word every day. This particular subscription is enabled. You can also enable or customize the subscriptions by clicking this personalized link sent to you. Just click on it. So this will show off the settings or configurations to tune this further as per your needs. So you can just enable whichever subscriptions you are interested in. You can just go and individually enable them. So we'll see very quickly about each one of them. The one word every day is the subscription by default enabled for all the subscribers. But of course you can go to this page and you can enable or disable this subscription. If you can just click on it to disable it. You can also enable to select or enable that subscription. And this will actually send one word from the dictionary of your choice every day. So right now I have chosen Monier Williams. You can also choose a comfortable dictionary of your choice from here. Okay, so you can also choose Kalpadruma or spoken Sanskrit, or you can choose Tamil or Hindi or any other dictionary of your choice. And what it does is it just sends one word randomly from that selected dictionary, and it generally sends out on this particular schedule, that is 6 a.m. Indian Standard Time. Next, similar to one word every day, you can also receive one shloka every day from Bhagavad Gita. For that, you just enable this second option, just click on it or touch that from mobile device to enable that subscription. So now you can actually further configure this based on your needs. Like example, you can choose whether you want to receive a random shloka or in a particular sequence. If you tick this, it will send a random shloka from a random chapter. It will send some random shloka based on the subscription schedule you have chosen. So you can choose on which weekdays you would like to receive these shlokas from Sunday to Saturday, and similarly at what time you would like to receive it, morning or afternoon or evening. So if you choose multiple options like a morning and evening, it will send 2 times, it will send shlokas for you, morning one shloka and evening another shloka. Suppose if you want to read or receive shlokas in a particular sequence, disable this. So it will ask you from which chapter or from which shloka in that chapter you would like to start receiving it. For example, in this case, I have chosen 18th chapter, first shloka. So whenever the next schedule comes, I will receive 18th chapter, first shloka, and the next schedule I will receive 18th chapter, second shloka. Of course, all these settings are specific to you. So each user, each one of you can choose different shloka number. Bot can identify you and it can actually deliver you that selected shloka to you. And you can also choose the specific commentary you would like to receive along with the shloka. For example, I have chosen Swami Shivananda Acharya's commentary. So it sends me the shloka. It will also show me the commentary of that shloka written by Swami Shivananda Acharya. Right? Similarly, you can also choose different commentaries based on your need. Alright, the next subscription is the daily news from Doordarshan. Of course, the Doordarshan publishes the daily news on different formats, and they have different news programs published online. So you can enable whatever format you like to view. For example, you want to view them in a MP3 audio version you want to receive, just enable this. So you will receive audio version, audio DD news whenever they publish. You will receive that MP3 file delivered to your mobile device. Or you can also choose the DD news in text format, which will send you the PDF version of that same news read every day. And similarly, there we have DD news video, so where you will you can watch the same content, the same news in a YouTube format. And you also have DD News Vartavali. So this is a weekly Sanskrit magazine published by Doordarshan, and this is sent on weekly basis, and it will be, if you enable this, whenever it is published by DD, it will be sent out to you. And similarly, the next one is a DD News video. The above DD News video is just a audio podcast, but in a DD News video in the bottom, you will receive full news with video. The next one is DD News Video Weekly. This is again a video news published on a weekly basis on News on Air official YouTube channel. So they also have a series called Sanskrit Bot. It's also published on YouTube channel DD News. So these are the subscriptions right now we have. You can enable as per your choice, and you can also customize wherever you see these customizable options. All the changes that you make, like enabling or disabling or setting or configuring any settings, they are all auto saved, so you don't need to worry about saving the settings. And if you still see something is missing here, or you would like to see some additional content on this list, or if you want to have some additional options or feedback or queries, you can feel free to reach out to us. You have a feedback form. You can just fill up the feedback form and you can submit that. So basically it's just a simple form where you can provide your contact details. That's an optional one. If you can provide contact details, we will be able to reach you for any further discussion needed on that particular feedback. Otherwise, you can directly submit the feedback directly on that form. So if you are an admin for any channel or group in Telegram, you can also add this bot as a member to that group and enable the similar subscription. You can just type /start and you can just click on the link which it sends on the group, and you can configure it to send regular Sanskrit content to that group or channel. So this is a sample Bhagavad Gita shloka which it sends every day. It just sends the shloka and it also sends the commentary from that particular commentary which we chose. If you want to read more about this, you can also click the link which it sends, like read more link, and you will see the shloka with all the commentaries of that shloka, similar to any other word we search in the kosha. And you can also click on any, if you are already logged into this kosha, you can also click on any word and you can see the meaning of that word right from that kosha Sanskrit.Today itself. Alright, so that's the sample about Bhagavad Gita, and you'll also see whenever you select any news subscriptions, then you will get the links something like this. It will send you all the YouTube links. Whenever you chose to receive the PDF files, it will send you this PDF file which will look something like this. Here is the sample content for DD News audio, so where you will receive MP3 file to your mobile.
आकाशवाणी सम्प्रति वार्ताः श्रूयन्ताम्।
Yeah, this is all I wanted to cover as part of this short demo of Sanskrit-wahini. So Sanskrit-wahini is a Telegram bot which brings Sanskritam even more closer in our lives every day than before. So thank you for watching this video online. Dhanyavadaha. Jayatu Sanskritam.